This tutorial will show you how to capture a citation from OneSearch or from a database. From the Rickman Library homepage, click on OneSearch, sign in, select Students and Staff for sign in, and sign in with your SWU email address and password. Type your search terms into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the three dots to show action options. Click on Citation. Select the citation style on the left-hand side. Copy the citation, and remember to check citations for accuracy. Again, from the Rickman Library homepage, you can go directly to a database via the list of databases by title and databases by subject. Choose the database you want to search. Type your search terms into the search bar and hit enter. Select a source. Click on the Cite icon under the tools on the right-hand side of the screen. Scroll down to the citation style you need. Copy the citation. And remember to check the citations for accuracy. If you have any questions, please call, email, or chat with a librarian.